Your debit card was declined. This frustrating situation is becoming increasingly common, with debit card transactions now more likely to be declined than credit cards. The number one reason for debit card declines is insufficient funds. Unlike credit cards that have a credit limit, debit cards can only spend what's actually in your account. Incorrect card information is another major cause. This includes entering the wrong card number, expiration date, security code, or billing address, especially during online purchases. Banks actively monitor for suspicious activity. Unusual purchase patterns, large transactions, or purchases in unfamiliar locations can trigger fraud protection, temporarily blocking your card. If you're traveling and use your card in another country without notifying your bank, it may be declined as a security measure. Banks see foreign transactions as potentially fraudulent. Sometimes the solution is simple. Your card may have expired, or if it's new, you might have forgotten to activate it. These are common oversights that can easily be fixed. Banks impose daily purchase limits as a security measure. These limits typically range from $300 to $7,500, depending on your account type and bank policies. Skimming activity has increased significantly, with over 231,000 debit cards compromised in 2024. Banks may proactively block cards they suspect have been compromised. Debit card decline rates range from 7 to 12%, significantly higher than credit cards. Understanding these common reasons is your first step toward preventing future declines and knowing how to respond when they occur. First, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. This is the most common reason for debit card declines. Double-check that you've entered the correct card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. This is especially important for online purchases where incorrect information is frequently entered. If you're unsure about your CVV code location, it's typically on the back of your card for Visa and MasterCard or on the front for American Express. If you suspect fraud or the reason for the decline is unclear, contact your bank immediately. They can identify the specific issue and help resolve it quickly. Update any autosave payment information when you receive a new card. If you're traveling, notify your bank to avoid holds. Make sure your card is activated and reset your PIN if needed. Be aware of your daily spending limits, which typically range from $300 to $7,500. Contact your bank if you need to exceed these limits for legitimate purchases. Regular monitoring through mobile banking apps can help prevent future declines. This is crucial because 62% of customers who experience payment failures during online purchases won't return to try again. By following these practical steps, checking your balance, verifying information, contacting your bank when needed, and staying aware of limits, you can quickly resolve most debit card decline issues and prevent future problems.